Hello, what's up? Another Math 050 lesson, right? 1.7 operations with scientific notation. This one right here is going to be multiplying though. So this is in scientific notation. That's in scientific notation. We got to multiply them together. So in order to do that, you got to know rules about exponents for the exponential factors here. But really, that's not that bad. So when the bases are the same, you just add the exponents. So a negative plus negative is more negative, add the numbers. So if you got 4 plus 6 is 10, you got to keep the sign negative, right? So you add two negatives, you get negative, add, keep. That's no problem. The two decimal numbers you got to multiply, but you know you got to follow the rules of decimals. So you multiply the two numbers as if they're whole numbers. So that's 32 times 12, which gives you 384, but it's a decimal point behind each place. So that's 2. So I have to go 1, 2, and that's why, and that puts it in scientific notation automatically. So this is the answer right here. Next problem, division, right? So dividing two numbers in scientific notation. Well, if you do this division, it's going to be the decimal 1.2. Or you can look at it as 1 1/5, 1 2/10. Same thing this is. So 6/5 is 1 1/5, but then 1/5 is 2/10, so it's be 1.2. So that part takes care of this. But this right here, you're just doing subtraction top to bottom. So say the rule says you got to subtract the exponent number at the top minus the exponent at the bottom if these bases are the same. So it'll be minus 3 minus a negative 6, right? But this right here is positive because it's the opposite of negative 6. So it'll be minus 3 plus 6. But 6 minus 3 is 3. So that's why that's 3 is right here. So I'll just 1.2 times 10 to the third is the answer for that. Now, this ain't nothing but a simple multiplication problem, right? A tablet has 3 times 10 to the negative 6 minerals, real small. How many minerals does a pack of 60 have? So you got to do 60 times that, right? So that's what I did right here. And all this stuff's multiplied, so I'm just doing multiplying 60 times 3 and then putting this next to it, right? So it's 180 times this. But the problem with this is not in scientific notation. So you're going to have to put the 180 first in scientific notation. So that'll be 1.8 times 10 to the second, which will give me the 180 back. But then the 10 to the negative 6 was next to it. So you can put these two together, but you got to remember your sign rules. If I'm in a whole 6, I got 2, I still owe 4, right? So this will drop down, and this will be the answer. So that's your math lesson in scientific notation with operations. Take care, have a good day, and be safe during this COVID era.